Integrating our AI assistant is incredibly simple. Just add one line of code to the footer of your website or web application. Overcore automatically identifies all forms on your site and lists them. From there, you can easily select which forms you want to enable the Write with AI feature on. Okay, this is a job posting form we have on a freelance marketplace, and you can see the Write with AI button has been automatically added on top of the form. Simply click this button, enter your prompt, and hit Generate button. And just like that, your job posting is ready. Overcore has not only generated a relevant description, but also pre-filled almost all the fields of the form for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another one.